Big news coming in. Prime Minister Modi has resigned right before taking oath for the third term. Prime Minister Modi tendering his resignation before President Draupadi Murmu. President has accepted his resignation as well. He, along with the Council of Ministers, have now been asked by the President to continue until the next government assumes office. Big update coming in as Prime Minister Modi has resigned. In fact, just before taking oath for the third term, Modi, as per formality, has tendered his resignation at President Draupadi Murmu's office. And those are the images, first images that surface. Prime Minister Modi meets with President Draupadi Murmu, tenders his resignation along with the Council of Ministers. Murmu has accepted his resignation and has requested Narendra Modi and the Council of Ministers to continue until the new government assumes office. Paulami Saha with us for more on that. Paulami, Narendra Modi has tendered his resignation as the Prime Minister of India. This comes just days before he's all set to take oath yet again as the Prime Minister. That date is on the 8th of June, Saturday, 8 p.m. But in the meanwhile, as per formality, he tenders his resignation to President Draupadi Murmu. Give us more in detail about this formality.
Of course, we're beaming pictures of President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Modi has tendered in his resignation to the President.
All right, we're trying to patch Paulami Saha, but here's the image that we bring to you right here. First images of Prime Minister Modi with Draupadi Murmu, the President of India. He's at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Prime Minister wearing a nice lime green jacket with his white kurta. He's tendered his resignation. All smiles as he does it to President Draupadi Murmu. Remember, this is a formality that needs to be observed as this government, the 17th Lok Sabha, comes to an end. It's barely a few days or up until the time when either the NDA, whoever wants to stake claim, basically who has the majority to stake claim, they will be given time to come form the government. To stake claim and form the government might take at least 2-3 days' time. And in the interim, it will be Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Council of Ministers who will continue with governance until the next government assumes office. Paulami back on the line with us. Paulami, explain to us, break down the formality right here. Prime Minister Modi tenders his resignation. He's also been asked by Draupadi Murmu, the President, to stay in office until the next government formation.
That's right. As for formality, of course, the Union Cabinet met today for the last time at the Prime Minister's residence, where they, of course, approved the resolution which would recommend to the President the dissolution of the 17th Lok Sabha. That recommendation has been carried with the Prime Minister, alongside with his resignation as well as per protocol to make way for the new government. And in the interim, so that obviously governance doesn't suffer, President Murmu has invited the Prime Minister and his Union Council of Ministers to continue on as the caretaker government until the new government assumes the office. Remember, today there is a crucial NDA meeting which will happen, subsequent to which the NDA Parliamentary Party will meet on the 7th of June in Delhi, where they will formally elect Prime Minister Modi as the leader of the coalition in the Lok Sabha, after which he, alongside with his NDA partners, will reach Rashtrapati Bhavan and take claim to form a government, and that swearing-in ceremony expected to take place on June 8th. So the pictures that we're beaming on our screens right now from Rashtrapati Bhavan, where President Murmu has accepted President Narendra Modi's resignation and has asked him and his Union Council of Ministers to continue on as the caretaker government in the interim.
All right. So the interim could last long, or is there a scheduled time period before which a government will have to, or a party will have to come stake claim? How long do they have as period before a certain side comes to stake claim to form the government, Paulami?
Well, it has to be as soon as possible, because the Prime Minister, of course, has tendered in his resignation and has recommended the dissolution of the 17th Lok Sabha. There is obviously an expiration date, which is exactly 5 years from the date that the 17th, I beg your pardon, Lok Sabha came into place. So, yes, it has to be as soon as possible. The NDA will obviously not leave anything to chance or time. They're trying to move as fast as possible. They're meeting today in Delhi, where they will, of course, try and lock in terms of details of their ministerial berth sharing negotiations, and after which on the 7th, the Prime Minister will be elected by the NDA Parliamentary Party as the leader of the party, and they will move to form government in the country again, and the swearing-in ceremony, which is likely to happen on June 8th. We have to see if the India Alliance and the bloc has any surprises up its sleeve, but for the moment, of course, the NDA as a coalition has numbers on its side. It crosses the halfway mark, the majority mark in the House of People, and hence they are in pole position to form government. Remember, we've been reporting that the Rashtrapati Bhavan, of course, with indications given to it, had blocked off the dates between today and the 9th, which is the weekend, for a potential and a possible swearing-in ceremony, and arrangements are being made and preparations are underway, and hence is blocked off for the public. And it's within those dates itself that the new government will be formed, because remember that the Prime Minister also is scheduled to proceed to Italy for the G7 on June 11th.
Okay, so interesting times ahead as we see Prime Minister Modi has tendered his resignation. This is mere formality until he comes back to take oath yet again on the 8th of June. Of course, in the interim here, the next 2 days, there's going to be a lot of speculations about what's going to happen, whether all the allies of the NDA are going to be staying loyal with the BJP. Will there be any surprises that will be sprung? All that, of course, is left for the meetings that are scheduled at 4 p.m. today of the NDA and 6 p.m. for the India bloc. What's going to happen post those meetings? We're going to wait and watch. But in the meanwhile, we see Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's tendered his resignation as per formality, will stay in office until the next government assumes power.